Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my the Walgreens ad preview. Now please keep in mind, I've learned from the past that a lot of you guys might not have the same exact ad as I do. Every ad is different, so you know, just pay attention to see what your store has on that. But they have the deals of the week. They got Angel Soft for $1.99. Looks like it's with the coupon in the Walgreens booklet. There might be a coupon for like 50 cents that you guys could use with that. All or Snuggle, it looks like it's going to be $1.99 after a coupon in the Sunday's paper. Blue Diamond Almonds are 2 for $5. I think there's a coupon for $1 off of 2. I forgot to look until now. We got some candy. Easter candy is $1.49, so it looks like Sweet Tarts and Brock's Jelly Beans. Pretty excited for that. Oreo cookies, $1.99. Great deal. I see this deal all the time for pop. I call it soda. It says buy 2 at $6.19, you get 1 free. Don't do that, you guys. Don't do that. They have it all the time for 3 for $9.99 or $8.99. So unless you guys need a hankering, don't do it. And then right here on the bottom, there is going to be a deal where you guys get 10 times everyday points. Usually there's something you can scan in the ad or can do it, but basically you guys will get 100 points for every dollar that you spend instead of usually the 10 points. But it's a deal where you usually cannot pay with points for that to really work. So giving you guys a heads up with that. But they do have some Colgate toothpaste. Now it looks like it's toothpaste, toothbrushes, and mouthwashes. We are getting $2 off coupons for the mouthwash and some toothpaste. There's 50-cent coupons and there's $2 off coupons. But let's just say we're going to do the $2 off ones. So you want to buy 2 of them at $3.99. You guys want to use $2 off coupons. You would pay $3.98. You get 4,000 points, make it free. Now that's a deal where you guys can pay with points. So that's going to be a great deal. Now here we got the Dove body wash. They're going to be $5.99, and when you buy 2 you get 2,000 points. Now I do know we have some coupons. I think they're like $1 coupons that are coming. So if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Now they got Gillette razors, $9.99, and then it's going to be $7.99 after a $2 off online coupon. Plus you guys will get a $4 registry reward. Makes it $3.99, so not the greatest deal, but if you guys need some razors. Now here they got the Garnier Fructis. It says it's going to be $1.99 with card after the $1 off coupon. I think the coupon expires on Saturday. That's not in the booklet, so got that. The Scott's paper towels and toilet paper, if your store has them, people are freaking out in my area, but I don't have anything to worry about. Those are $5. There's a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, plus we did get some 50-cent off coupons. You guys can get them for $1 or $3.25. Purex, there's going to be a 50-cent off coupon, making them $1.49. Now here we got some Cadbury eggs and Reese's eggs, 4 for $2 after the Walgreens booklet. So they basically come out to be 50 cents a piece. Reese's Kit Kat bars, 79 cents. Now I don't think the Baby Ruths, I know we had some buy one get one free Baby Ruths, but I think they're purposely not putting those on sale. This is a good deal, $1.88 for Nature's Crunchy. Now we're going to go to the second page of the ad. Now here is the barcode. When you guys do get the ad, they can scan that to get your 10 times everyday points. Not much going on. I think they have the cleaned up basics, but have fun if your store even has that stuff. So yeah. Now in the bottom right, they have some Dixie plates. Buy one, get one 50% off. At my store, I think they're $3.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You would pay they would be $5.98, but then you guys would use a $1 off a 2 coupon online, it looks like. So it comes up to be $4.98 or just $2.49. I wouldn't do that deal unless you guys need to do that deal. The reason is they always are buy one get one free all the time. So unless you guys need some paper plates, I would wait on that. Now here we got, you know, some food and drinks, nothing really popping up. A lot of this stuff is repeaters. Now Cheez-Its, we got some for $1.49, we got some for $1.99. Crackers, 2 for $5. Pringles, 3 for $4. Here we got some honey, buy one get one free. Peanut butter and jelly or jam, 2 for $4. They do got some DiGiorno pizza, buy one get one free. I think those are like $7.99 a piece. I cannot remember off the top of my head, but yeah, now you're going to see more Easter deals, so nothing really popping out here. They got some candy, king size, 3 for $4. So yeah. Now we're going to the personal care products. I didn't see anything that really pops out at me. They do say that there is the Copper Tone suntan lotion is buy one get one 50% off. There's a $2 off coupon. Online, I'm assuming it's the booklet. I'm not sure. But some of you guys said there was a pretty good deal for that, and I cannot remember what it was. But yeah, not much going on. Okay, so the next deal is the Crest toothpaste. They're going to be on sale for $3.99. Now it looks like it's Crest Oral-B Fixodent. So, okay. There's going to be a $4 off a 3 coupon. That's going to be a digital coupon. After that coupon, you guys would pay $7.97. You would get a $5 register reward, making them $2.97 or 99 cents a piece. I would not do that for the toothpaste. Maybe for the toothbrushes and whatever the Fixodent stuff is. So there's that. Now right below it, there is a Colgate toothpaste for $4.99. That looks like there's going to be $2 off coupons that we're getting this weekend. Plus you guys would get a 6 off a 2 register reward. So basically what you guys want to do is buy 2 of them. Use 2 of those coupons. You would pay $5.98. You get a $6 register reward, making them free. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Now here that we're getting, supposedly we're going to get coupons. Now, my area hasn't got them for a while, which is kind of weird, which is not a big deal. But they do have some deals where if you guys will get 3,000 points when you buy 3. This one's when you buy 2. This one's when you buy 3 and when you buy 3. I don't know if you can mix and match these deals. I don't know for that. I wouldn't know until the day of the sale. But with Schick, you can only use 2 coupons per transaction. There might be some digitals. So let's just say if you guys did like the Schick shave and there is a okay, it looks like there's an online coupon. I'm not sure what's going on. But, okay, never mind. I didn't read it when I was doing the breakdown. So, I don't know. I'm hoping maybe we could combine these, but not sure on that. Now, the soft soap and the Irish Spring, we haven't had a deal on that stuff in a very long time. But at my store, those are $4.99. It's buy one get one 50% off. They come out to be $2.49 and $4.99. Comes out to be $7.48. You guys want to use some coupons. I think we're getting $1 off coupons, making them $5.47. You get 3,000 points, making them $2.48 or $1.24. So if you guys need to get that stuff, it's an okay deal. I know in the past we can get it a whole lot cheaper. Dial soap, 2 for $4. If you guys need to get any of that stuff, go ahead. Now we're going to get in the medications. I'm not seeing anything really popping off. Flonase, there's that deal, but nothing really popping up for great deals with medication. Personal care products. Now, the next deal you guys want to do, if you have this at your store, now I've noticed in the past that this is a regional item, so make sure it's, you know, in your ad before you guys do this. This isn't the great deal anyways, but it's up to you. But it looks like you guys will get a $5 gift card of Walgreens if you buy 2 of some gift cards. So if you guys buy Xbox, Domino's, Fanatics, Children's Place, or Spa and Wellness. I think the minimum of a lot of those is $25, so I wouldn't do it unless you guys, you know, need that stuff. It's still a good, okay deal to get $5 back, but I like to do it when it's 10 with the Netflix deal, so yeah. And that is it for the ad. So not much going on. There is some good register rewards are coming, and there's some points if you guys need to build up points again. Hopefully we can find, you know, a really good deal where you can really gain some points. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on Sunday. See you later. Bye-bye.